Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion, we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And watch all video of this channel because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, we want talking about cryptocurrency, and now I want share to you about traders margin lending ratio. Furthermore, the metric remains bullish by following stable cash borrowing by a wide margin. As a result, pro traders have been holding their bullish position and no additional bearish margin traders emerge as Bitcoin retouch. Option market hold a natural stand cost. They are concerned about whether Bitcoin will make another run toward the $25,000 resistance, but the $25,000 delta now is a telling sign whenever a bright desk and market markers approving our upside and or downside protection. But the indicator compares similar call by and put sell option and will turn positive when fears is prevalent because the protective put option premium is higher than rise call option. The SKU indicator will move above 10% if traders fear a Bitcoin price crash. On the other hand, generates estimate reflect a negative 10% skew. Bitcoin traders anticipate new yearly lows after BTC $25,000 rejection. Data disagrees showed traders expect further downside after BTC fall to hold above $25,000. The price action coincided with worsening condition for teach or worsening, including China's giant Tencent, which is expected to post its first ever quarterly revenue decline according to analysis. The Chinese gaming and social media conglomerate is expected to post quarterly earnings around 19 and 5 billion, which is 4% lower than the previous year. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch all video of this channel because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. And if there is some request or some question, and you can comment below and we can share together or discuss together. Well, maybe just this. Thank you very much. See you.